Good day, listeners. It's good to be with you to talk about our paper just published in the International Journal of Science and Research, IJSR. My name is Zainab Ahmed from Kaduna State, Nigeria in West Africa. I am one of the co-researchers of the topic Assessment of Community Radio on Social and Economic Development, Case Study of Spider Radio 102.7 FM, Kaduna Polytechnic Campus Radio Station. The research was intended to investigate the impact of community radio stations on socio-economic status of their listeners, and Spider Radio FM 102.7 was used as the case study of the research. Like we all know, community radio plays a vital role in the communications of a country. Community radio mainly serves a given community in a form of public services broadcasting. It reflects the culture, norms, and values of a particular community. Reference Can It Out, 2017. Spider FM Radio, the campus radio of Kaduna Polytechnic, is a training ground for students, but it's doing this. It's advocate and create changes, and as such promote the social and economic development of its listeners. In finding out the true functions of Spider Radio in impacting the social and economic status of its listeners, over 2,000 questionnaires were distributed and retrieved. These were analyzed, and the responses have shown that the Spider FM radio has positively impacted on the socio-economic well-being of its listeners. This investigation concluded that the Spider FM radio of Kaduna Polytechnic has positively impacted on the socio-economic well-being of its listeners and is still doing so. The following recommendations were made. 1. Spider FM radio as a training ground that speaks to the community of Kaduna Polytechnic should carry all and sundry in its programs. 2. Carefully management, student, staff, and community leaders should be encouraged to utilize the radio station for disseminating vital information within the community. Thank you for listening and for being with me. I'm your presenter, Zainab Ahmed from Nigeria, West Africa.